Accra Sports Stadium tonight. Ghana played Chad. It was a nice game, Charlie. First time I had seen Ghana they score like 5 goals. So Charlie, it's been a while. Charlie, we will not score anybody but Chad. But Charlie, it be gradual process. It be very impressive. I be you know how it is. So if you go stadium, Charlie, kudos to you. Why are there pass or to me call? But we know if you go, no, we did here. So we forgive you updates, make you watch for the channel top.
I don't want peace. I don't want peace. I want problem. I want problem. Always.
You get it. You get it. If you don't get it, forget. If you don't get it.
Yes, yeah. How can you tell me this story?
All the lie, all the lie, all the lie. You said all the lie.
Talk to the rich.
Hey guys, what's up? Everything cool, everything nice. Welcome to Plus 233 show right here on Paco Rich Studios. Of course, my name is PKB original, and as I did, we did the international break. So we'll give you a quick update of how things turn out for Accra Sports Stadium tonight. Ghana played Chad. It was a nice game, Charlie. First time I had seen Ghana they score like 5 goals. So Charlie, it's been a while. Charlie, we will not score anybody but Chad. But Charlie, it be gradual process. It be very impressive. I be you know how it is. So if you go stadium, Charlie, kudos to you. Why are there pass or to me call? But we know if you go, no, we did here. So we forgive you updates, make you watch for the channel top. Of course, I tell you already, my name is PKB. And if you don't see they love the vibe, as they love the comeback for the Blackstars, make I hear Blackstars, yeah. Blackstars, oh, yeah. Blackstars, oh, yeah, Charlie, yeah, bro. And then Nipa 5 that she goes, wow, shot, and it's me and my Mohammed Salisu. Oh, yeah, they on cry do baby no born chisa. Mohammed Salisu was able to score a goal. Jordan Ayew got a penalty. Yeah, of course. We know say if you can't penalty there, Jordan Ayew be the king. Come, yeah, today. My man delivers always as if penalty come there, I go play, you know. You do je. And of course, the man, Charlie, as he come, if I go play for Spain, no, but I say no. If it be so that make I come play for Blackstars, make my brother play for Spain. He come, the ghosts know they come with the lashing back, Charlie. But finally, Inaki Williams also got on the score sheet today. And also she go in there. Inaki Williams she go in there. Charlie, utumi share be out to say superb goal no share. On kwanso and share all the way from Bournemouth. Antoine Semenyo. Right now the ladies, it be Antoine Semenyo that they die for. Yeah, Antoine Semenyo also score for Ghana today. So that is the 5 players who were able to get on the score sheet for the Blackstars against Chad today. Charlie, it be very impressive. Yeah, it be very impressive. So if you know say you be Ghana way they out there, Charlie, you for make sure say we go all come together and bring the love back like us. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama said, I should say he chop before I watch the match, but as it is stand away we score 4 the dessert for come. So I should say the president and chop dessert we go sleep well. Yeah, man. So we could go straight to the table and see how Ghana is looking according to the table. And as we win tonight, dear boy, Yababe da first position. Yeah. You remember on a previous match against Madagascar, be very bad. Then score like 3 safe. We no see top there, we vex. But right now there, Joy Day, we come day first. Madagascar day second with 10 points. Ghana day first with 12 points. As well as Comoros day third. Mali day fourth. And Central Africa also day fifth. Chad day sixth. Yeah, Chad, to mean 1 point to cry. It's yeah, that be how the whole thing they look like. So as we did in international break, Charlie, this World Cup qualifiers, it they need we because we know if we qualify for the African Cup of Nations. So this World Cup qualifiers, we run out, we get new presidents. We not say Mahama dear. If he come, they take sports very serious. You know, they joke with sports. So as he come there, it be like things they move, you know, small, they move in a gradual process. So guys, say the economy, they know an economy, you know. My bomb the entire Blackstars, and making sure that be able conquer. And actually, you need you apart from football. Yeah, we're a football nation, so we need to make sure that our team is performing well. Chad for us Roman Sakakra, but Charlie, you say you to me I show 5 then, but I can say more 10. And I can say more 10, but Charlie, small with the build. If you check FIFA rankings, they did like 170 something. We Ghana, we did like 77. So yeah, before try drop the bar, can't catch up with Nigeria. Nigeria did like 44. Or can they like maybe first 20 safe cry? It could be impressive. Otuado Moko hopes they good. And then the new goalkeeper. Today they don't score Benjamin Asare. But Charlie, so far so good. Almost say we're yin any man yin but Charlie. Right now we know they care about looks, so we know they care about what they have be say. You keep clean sheet and on his debut today, he was able to keep a clean sheet as he has done today. So guys, Charlie, more love for the Black Stars. Let's hope that as the international break day for the next 2 weeks, they go deliver, then play the very best of football for us. So we go feel qualify for the World Cup in US, because when I take it today, them a day. When I take it, we will carry go US, carry enter US. He did Black Stars in my day. So guys, so let's come together, support the team both in prayers, physically, and let's give them all the love and the morale they need. And so, Charlie, this will be the update. If more updates come, maybe you know how we do them. Our higher +233 Pakori Studios. We'll bring you more updates. My name is PKB Original, and I am out. See you in the next episode. Bye for now.
I don't want peace. I don't want peace. I want problem. I want problem. Always.
You get it? You get it? If you don't get it, forget. If you don't get it.
Garcia, how can you tell me this story?
All the lie, all the lie, all the lie. You said all the lie.